Imagine if you could fit more of what you want into your day. What if you could spend a few more minutes with your family in the morning? What if you could squeeze one more errand in over lunch? What if you had more time to do the things you love? Introducing the Emotor Go, the future of personal transportation. Intelligent, easy to use, and engineered to maximize your day. Stand apart from the crowd while riding with the Emotor Go's stunning design. Travel safely at night with the adjustable bright LED headlights built right into the scooter. The Emotor Go replaces your morning walk to public transport, allowing you to spend a few more minutes at home. You'll get around the city faster and easier than ever before, and not have to stress about finding a parking spot or locking it up. The Emotor Go gives you control over your commute so that you have more time to do more of what you love. The Emotor Go is foldable, smart, and powered by green energy. Its three-wheel design means there's no training or balancing act required. Pairing with your phone is a breeze and allows you to safely navigate between your playlist, maps, and even take a selfie while commuting. The first-of-its-kind smart battery is packed full of safety protocols and has been engineered to do more than just power your commute. It's removable, serving as a versatile power source to charge your laptop and a variety of other devices on the go. The Emotor Go has been engineered from the ground up to truly be a personal device, centered around the goal of allowing commuters to take back control of their day. Whatever the reason for using personal transport, the Emotor Go has you in mind.
Wheels. McCain.
We need a new way to get around town. We need something fun, cool, innovative, and let's not forget green and great for the environment. Introducing the Scootmatic. It's half bike, half scooter, and fully electric. The Scootmatic combines a bike and scooter to create something truly unique. The Scootmatic is fully electric and utilizes an intelligent recognition output function that frees you from the gas pump and provides you with an improved performance at the same time. The Scootmatic features the latest technology, all crafted to bring you the best riding experience possible. The Scootmatic reaches speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and rides distances of 28 miles in only one charge. Other features include LED headlights, LED electric screen, German-engineered brushless motor, brake-powered protection device, Samsung LG battery cells, Bluetooth speaker, leather seat, remote control, USB charging interface. The Scootmatic is engineered and crafted to provide maximum safety, design, and comfort. The Scootmatic has oil-pressed brakes that have the same configuration and safety as an automobile. The Scootmatic folds up to fit into the trunk of a car or to slide easily through a door. Just plug it in when you get home. Be the first to ride the Scootmatic by purchasing it on our crowdfunding page. Lock in your special price, which will be long gone after our campaign ends. Once you've taken the Scootmatic for a spin, you'll never leave home without